So what's the best USB-C car charger for your Nintendo Switch, laptop, tablet, phone, or whatever in 2018? Hey guys, it's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where we do tips, tricks, news, reviews, and how-tos fast. If you enjoy this video and you'd like to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get notifications when new videos post. And today, in 2 minutes, I'm going to show you why the Aukey USB-C car charger is the only charger that you're going to need in 2018. In 2018, more and more devices are using USB Type-C chargers in their devices. So that's really good for consumers overall because it moves us closer to a standard port. You don't have to worry about micro or mini or whatever type of USB. It's all coming down to USB-C, which is really awesome. But USB-C is just an actual type of connector, so it can be pretty confusing from there. You've got power delivery 2.0, PD 3.0, and even there's different data transfer speeds. But ultimately, with this type of product, what we're looking at is the ability to charge at power delivery speeds of 2.0. That's going to be able to power most of your devices that you own. Now, one of the great things about the Aukey USB-C car charger is the fact that you don't have to necessarily understand all the technology with USB Type-C, because you actually get both. You get USB Type-C as well as USB-A. So pretty much any device that you have that requires a USB connection to charge, you're going to have your bases covered with the Aukey charger. And Aukey does also pack this device with something called AI Power, which is going to automatically know what your device needs in terms of charging, which is going to give you 2.4 amp 5 volt for your USB-A devices, as well as be able to power your USB-C devices up to 24 watts. So if you're looking to charge things like a Nintendo Switch, a laptop, or any of your USB-C tablets or phone, the Aukey USB-C charger is going to have you covered. So if you're looking for one device to rule them all that can do USB-C and USB-A at the same time, then look no further than the Aukey USB-C car charger. So what type of adapter are you currently using to charge your devices in your car, and what devices do you need to charge? Are you using a Nintendo Switch? Do you have a phone that requires USB-C power delivery? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you do like this video and you'd like to see a lot more like it, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.